Hello friends, welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. In this video, we are going to see how to multiply any 3-digit number by 2-digit number using criss-cross method. In the last video, we have seen that how to multiply any 3-digit number by 3-digit number. This is a continuation of the previous video, and previous video link is available in the description box. If you want, please have a look on it. Now we are going to see how to multiply this type of numbers and get the answer within 4 seconds. Fast multiplication using criss-cross method. Here we are going to see how to multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Consider this problem. 132 is multiplied by 25. 132 is 3-digit number, write it, and 25 is 2-digit number. To make this to be a 3-digit number, include 10 after this number, that is before this number, so you have to write 0 to 5. So after that, this becomes the 3-digit by 3-digit number multiplication, and like the same method you have to apply to get the answer. So 2 into 5 is 10, 0 is written, 1 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider units place and the tens place for cross multiplication. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 5 into 3 is 15, 4 plus 15 is 19, 19 plus this 1 is 20, so 0 is written, 2 is carry forward again. After that, you have to consider all the 3 digits for cross multiplication, that is units place, tens place and hundreds place for cross multiplication. So we have 0 into 2 is 0, plus 1 into 5 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 2 into 3 is 6, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 3 is written here and 1 is carried forward. After that, leave the units place and consider the tens place and the hundreds place for cross multiplication. So we have 0 into 3 is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, plus this 1 is 3, so 3 is written here. That is no carry forward number, leave it. After that, you have to leave the tens place also and consider the hundreds place alone for multiplication, for the last multiplication number. Okay, so 0 into 1 is 0, that is no carry forward number, so 0 here when you are writing 0 it is meaningless, so leave it. The answer for 132 is multiplied by 25 is 3300. Now we will see some other example. 81 is multiplied by 233. That is 81 as a 2-digit number. To make this number to be 3-digit, we have to include 0 before this number. So 081, and that is multiplied by 233. Whether 81, that is 2-digit number is first occur or second occur, that doesn't matter. You have to make this to be a 3-digit number by including 10 before this number. And then as usual, 3 by 3 multiplication you can do it. 1 into 3 is 3, and then no carry forward number, leave it. 3 into 1 is 1, 3 into 3 is 3 into 1 is 3, plus 8 into 3 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, and there is no carry forward number, 7 is written here, 2 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider all the 3 numbers or 3 digits. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 3 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 8 into 3 is 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, 26 plus 2 is 28. 8 is written here and 2 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider last 2 digits for cross multiplication. 8 into 2 is 16, plus 0 into 3 is 0, so 16 plus 0 we have a 16, plus this 2 is 18. 8 is written here, again 1 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply the last digit alone. So 0 into 2 is 0, plus this number 1 you have to add it. 0 plus 1 is 1, write it here, which is our final answer. So when you multiply 81 by 233, we get the answer is 18873. Next, we will see how to multiply 71 by 9.41. Decimals occur, how to multiply that type of numbers we will see. 71 is 2-digit number. Include one 0 before this number, so make to 3-digit. So 071, and you consider this 9.41 decimals as whole number by removing this dot. Okay, decimal point. 9.41 can be written as 941. For easy multiplication, we write like that. After multiplying this, in the answer, we consider this decimal point. Now multiply it. 1 into 1 is 1, and then next multiply these two numbers. 4 into 1 is 4, plus 7 into 1 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. There is no carry forward number, so again write 1 here and 1 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply this. 9 into 1 is 9, plus 0 into 1 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9, plus 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37 plus 1 is 38. 8 is written here. 3 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply these two numbers. 9 into 7 is 63, plus 0 into 4 is 0. So 63 plus 0 is 63, plus this 3 is 66. 6 is written and 6 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider the last number for multiplication, that is last digit for multiplication. 0 into 9 is 0, plus this 6. So 0 plus 6 is 6. Write it here, which is our answer when you multiply 71 by 941. But we had to find out the answer for 71 is multiplied by 9.41. So here in this number, after decimal point, we have two numbers. So you have to put a dot in the answer after two numbers starting from unit place. So 1, 2. So after these two numbers, you have to put a dot here. So answer is 668.11, which is our answer when you multiply 71 by 9.41. Now we will see another problem. 34 is multiplied by 0.416. 34 can be written as 034, and 0.416, you consider this to be a whole number. After multiplying, we come to this decimal point now. Okay, now multiply this. 6 into 4 is 24. 4 is written, 2 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply these two numbers. 1 into 4 is 4, plus 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. 4 is written, 2 is carry forward. After that, consider all the three numbers for multiplication, cross multiplication. 4 into 4 is 16, plus 0 here. 0 into 6 is 0. So 16 plus 0, you have a 16. Plus this 1 into 3 is 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. 1 is written, 2 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply these two numbers using cross multiplication. 4 into 3 is 12, plus 0 into 1 is 0. 12 plus 0 is 12, plus this 2 is 14. So 4 is written, 1 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider the last number, that is 0 into 4 is 0, plus this 1 you have to add it. So 0 plus 1 is 1, write it here, which is our answer when you multiply 34 by 4416. But we have to multiply 34 by 0.416. That is, after decimal point, we have three numbers. So put a dot in the answer after three numbers starting from units place. 1, 2, 3. So here you have to put a dot. Answer is 14.144 when we multiply 34 by 0.416. Now consider this number. 625 is multiplied by 0.016. 625 write as it is, and you take this 0.016 as a whole number 16, but 16 is 2-digit number, so you consider the 0 also. So 016 you have to write it. Now multiply these two numbers. 5 into 6 is 30. 0 is written, 3 is carry forward, and multiply these two numbers. 1 into 5 is 5, plus 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 0 is written, 2 is carry forward. And then now consider this now, all the three numbers for multiplication. 0 into 5 is 0, plus 6 into 6 is 36. So 36 plus 0 is 36, plus this 1 into 2 is 2. So 36 plus 2 is 38. 38 plus this 2 is 40. 0 is written, 4 is carry forward. After that, you have to consider these two numbers for cross multiplication. 0 into 2 is 0, plus 1 into 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6, plus this 4 is 10. So 0 is written, 1 is carry forward. After that you have to multiply this number 0 into 6, which is 0, plus this one you have to add it, which is 1. And then this is the answer for when we multiply 625 by 16, but we have to find out 625 is multiplied by 0.016. So here after the decimal point we have 3 numbers. So starting from units place, count 3 numbers 1, 2, 3 and put a dot here. So 10.000. So when you multiply 625 by 0.016, we get the answer is 10. Now we see another example. 2180 was multiplied by 5.8. 2180 is 4-digit number, but it is 0 is there. So leave this 0 and make this to be a 3-digit number. The final answer we consider this 0. Okay, and 5.8 can be written as a whole number 58, but it is 2 digits. So insert 10 also before this number. So 058. Now we multiply as usual. 8 into 8 is 64, 4 is written, 6 is carry forward, and 5 into 8 is 40, plus 1 into 8 is 8, 40 plus 8 is 48, 48 plus this 6 is 54, 4 is written, 5 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply all the 3 digits using cross multiplication. 0 into 8 is 0 plus 16. 1 to 8 into 2 is 16. 0 plus 16 is 16 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus this 5 is 26. 6 is written, 2 is carry forward. After that, you have to multiply these two numbers. 0 into 1 is 0, plus 2 into 5 is 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 2 is written, 1 is carry forward. After that, you consider the last number, that is last digit. 0 into 2 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So write it here. Now, but our answer, this is not our answer for the required problem. We have to insert the 0 and consider this decimal point also. So when you multiply 218 by 58, we get this as 12,644. But we have to multiply 2180 into 58. That is just you insert 0 here, or it is multiplied by 10. That way also you can take it. So here when you are inserting 10, and this is also you have to put this 0 here after this number in your answer. Okay, then we get the answer for 2180 multiplied by 58. And next we have to consider this decimal point also. So 2180 is multiplied by 5.8. This after decimal point we have one number. So you have to put a dot in the answer after one number. So 0. After 0 you have to put a dot. And after dot it is meaningless. So we have to consider this number to be answer to be 12644, which is multiplied by 2180 by 5.8, which is our final answer. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please provide in the comment section. Thanks for watching and keep watching our YouTube channel AlphaNumericTricks for more videos. Thank you.